Negative thoughts, they don't just cloud your mind, they anchor your spirit. They're sneaky, persistent, and let me tell you this, they are not your truth. Yet they shape your reality if left unchecked. So today, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into 6 powerful strategies that will not only help you banish negative thoughts, but transform the way you see and live your life. Let me set the stage. Negative thoughts are universal. Every single one of us has faced them. They often come disguised as protection or preparation. What if I fail? I'm not good enough. But let me tell you this, these thoughts are thieves. They steal your joy, your energy, and your ability to grow. Research from cognitive behavioral psychology shows that persistent negative thinking patterns can shape not only your mental health, but your physical health as well. Stress, anxiety, even chronic illnesses, they often begin in the mind. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about thriving. Strategy 1. Awareness is the key that unlocks the door. You cannot change what you don't acknowledge. Write this down. Awareness is the foundation of transformation. Negative thoughts often operate in the background, like a shadow you don't notice until you turn around. Here's what I want you to do. Set aside one day to be a detective of your own mind. Carry a notebook or use your phone. Each time you catch a negative thought, write it down, word for word. By the end of the day, you'll notice patterns. These patterns are the scripts your mind runs on autopilot. Take a moment to reflect on this. Are these scripts coming from your own truth, or are they borrowed from others, parents, teachers, or society? Recognizing this distinction is your first step to freedom. Strategy 2. Reframe your inner dialogue. Here's a universal truth. Your words are seeds, and your thoughts are the soil they grow in. Negative thoughts like, "I'm not enough," plant weeds. Positive reframing plants a garden of possibility. And this isn't just about thinking positively, it's about reprogramming your mind with intention. Instead of saying, "I always mess things up," reframe it as, "I'm learning and growing every day." Instead of, "I can't handle this," say, "I am stronger than I realize." Write this down. I speak to myself as if I am someone I deeply love. Neuroscience backs this up. When you consistently reframe your self-talk, you rewire your brain's pathways. This isn't just fluff, it's science. Over time, these new thoughts become your default way of thinking. And when you change your thoughts, you change your life. Strategy 3. Gratitude is the antidote. Let me tell you this with certainty. Gratitude is the ultimate reset button. Why? Because it shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Write this down. Gratitude transforms what we have into enough and more. I want you to start a gratitude practice. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. But don't stop there. Here's the secret. Feel the gratitude as you write it. Close your eyes and let that sense of appreciation fill your heart. Gratitude isn't just a mental exercise, it's an emotional one. Dr. Joe Dispenza explains this beautifully. When you feel gratitude, your brain releases dopamine, creating a feedback loop of positivity. So when you're grateful, you're not just acknowledging blessings, you're inviting more of them into your life. Strategy 4. Master your focus. What you focus on grows. This is more than a catchy phrase. It's the principle behind how your mind operates. Think of your attention like a magnifying glass. Wherever you direct it, you amplify. Here's what I want you to do. When a negative thought arises, don't fight it. Fighting gives it power. Instead, redirect. Visualize something that brings you peace, a serene lake, a loved one's smile, or your favorite memory. By shifting your focus, you're training your mind to see beyond the negativity. And let me share this. The greatest minds in history understood this principle. Albert Einstein said, "Energy flows where attention goes." Focus your energy wisely and watch how it transforms your reality. Strategy 5. Let go of control. Let me assure you of this. Control is an illusion. Most of the negativity we experience comes from clinging to what's beyond our power. Whether it's the past, other people's actions, or the unknown future, holding on only creates suffering. Here's an analogy I want you to remember. Imagine you're holding a rope tied to a heavy weight. The tighter you grip, the more it burns your hands. But the moment you let go, the weight falls away, and so does your pain. Michael Singer, author of The Untethered Soul, reminds us, the moment you let go, true freedom begins. Reflect on this. What are you holding on to that's holding you back? Write it down. Then, take a deep breath and let it go. Strategy 6. Build a positive environment. Write this down. Your environment shapes your mind. The people you surround yourself with, the content you consume, even the spaces you live in, they all influence your thoughts. If your environment feeds negativity, it will grow. But if it nurtures positivity, it will flourish. Here's what I want you to do. Conduct an audit of your environment. Are your relationships uplifting or draining? Is your social media feed inspiring or toxic? Make intentional choices. Replace negativity with inspiration. Books that elevate your spirit, music that soothes your soul, and people who see the best in you. And remember this, Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Choose your circle wisely. Now let me leave you with this powerful truth. You are not your negative thoughts. You are the creator of your reality. These 6 strategies aren't just tools, they're lifelines. They're the keys to breaking free from the chains of negativity and stepping into a life of peace, purpose, and power. So, the next time a negative thought creeps in, remember this. You have the power to observe it, reframe it, and replace it with something that serves your highest good. Your mind is not your master, it's your servant. Use it wisely, and always know this. You are capable of creating a life filled with light and possibility.